Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning to all of you.
Good morning. Sorry, ma'am, for joining that meeting earlier.
No, it's okay, beta. You were on time.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning. So yesterday we did a worksheet. Now today what we are going to do, we will begin the next chapter. We will start our next chapter.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Now to begin the next chapter, one of you will have to send me the PDF. Who will send the PDF?
Ma'am. Another Sunday view. Ma'am, Vidanshu Prakash. Ma'am, the domains of the earth. Ma'am, can
Yes, domains of the
Ma'am, domains of the earth.
Yes, beta. Next chapter after motions of the earth, domains of the earth. Beta, any one of you, I don't mind, but the picture should be very clear, only of the book. Don't take the background of your tables or your beds kept under your book.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Ma'am, I have to send the paragraphs of the first chapter and with their exercises.
Beta, I'm asking you the PDF of the next chapter, the whole chapter.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
We are waiting for the PDF, beta. Who is sending? Who is sending the PDF?
Ma'am, I think Vedanshu is sending. Ma'am, I am sending. Ma'am, I am sending.
Okay, okay. Send it on the class group directly, beta. And please, when you make the PDF, rename it. Write the chapter's name and then send.
Ma'am, I have sent it.
Ankush Gautam, beta, why are you lying on your bed? You want to sleep? Sent?
Yes, ma'am, I have sent it on the group.
Chapter number 5, Domains of the Earth. Vedanshu, beta, what have you done? Just open the PDF on the class group and see what has come. What you have sent. Vedanshu, did you check?
Ma'am, there is only one page.
Yes, there is only one page coming again and again. Re-click, beta, click again. No problem. We'll wait for 5 minutes.
Ma'am, I have sent it the full chapter.
Now, Akshar, why have you done this shortcut, beta? Is it visible? Is it even visible? This is not the way to send it. Each page you should click the picture individually, not like this. Just shortcut. Yes. Now Vedanshu, it has come. The full chapter has come. Thank you so much. Okay. Now children, how do we begin any chapter? Take out your social studies copies. Write down chapter name, today's date, and the heading difficult words. Right?
Yes,
Chapter 5, domains of the earth.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we will do difficult words.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the chapter number?
Beta, chapter number 5, domains of the earth. Difficult words. The first word is, shall I start?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The first word is domain.
Yes, ma'am.
Domain.
Ma'am, the
Second word, lithosphere.
Ma'am, what?
The first word is domain. Second, lithosphere.
Ma'am, the spelling is Lithosphere.
Okay, the spelling is Lithos. Ankush, Gautam, keep your phone at one place, sit down at one place and start writing in your copy. Then you will ask, ma'am, which book, which copy and all. Keep your phone on the table. Where is your table chair? Where do you sit to study? Where do you take your classes? Show me that corner. Show me that place. Where is your social studies copy? Open it. Write down the heading. You have not even opened your copy till now. Shelly, Yuvraj, Ansh, Taranveer, Ansh Patel. Everybody open your camera. Riddhi Singh, Riddhi Agarwal. Where are you roaming here and there? Sit down at one place. Everybody needs a scolding, I think, in this class. Write down the heading, chapter 5. Domains of the earth.
Ma'am,
Ankush, have you started writing? Chapter number 5. I'm writing in the chat box. Those who don't know what I'm saying, write it from there. Chapter 5. Domains of the domains domains of the earth. This is the chapter name. Then the heading. What is the heading? Difficult words. Understood? Yuvraj Singh, Siddharth Shukla, Ankush Gautam. Beta, have you written all of you? Riddhi Singh? Sorry, Riddhi Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone has written this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then, Riddhi Agarwal is saying, ma'am, your voice is not coming. Children, my voice is not coming?
Ma'am, your voice is coming.
Okay.
Your voice is coming clear.
First word, domain. See from the chat box those who don't know the spelling. Second word, lithosphere. Nobody will type in between. Yuvraj is also saying, ma'am, your voice is not coming. Beta, do one thing, just leave the meeting and join again. Leave the meeting, rejoin those who cannot listen to me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, please tell the third one because I have disconnected.
The third word is biosphere. See in the chat box, nobody will type anything in the chat box now. Let all the words be one after the other. I don't want any message in between. Fourth word is atmosphere.
Please disable the chat to the children. Anybody can't write.
Okay, but now I have instructed you not to write. I know nobody will write now. Right? Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Written these 4 words?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fifth word is
Yes, ma'am.
hydrosphere.
Ma'am, written hydrosphere.
Then sixth word is condensation.
Ma'am, what is the sixth one?
Sixth one, beta, see in the chat box, it is condensation.
Ma'am, what is first?
Ankush Gautam, see in the chat box.
Please tell the seventh one.
You know where the chat box is, Ankush? Ankush, yes or no? Do you know where the chat box is?
आप कैसे टूट गया? Yes, ma'am. हाँ कैसे टूटा? ट्राले भरवा दीजिए
I have Unsha, mute yourself. I have typed these 6 words in the chat box. Ankush, see the words from there and write. Praveer Singh, where are you roaming?
And please tell the seventh one.
7th one is evaporation. See in the chat box, the word is evaporation. Now Praveer has left the room. He's roaming in the next room.
Ma'am, there are only 7.
Have I said that's all? Did I say that's all?
No, ma'am.
Then next word is mantle. M-A-N-T-L-E. Eighth word is mantle. M-A-N-T-L-E.
Ma'am, the next word can be water cycle.
Beta, what is the spelling of water? Is it difficult?
No, ma'am.
What is the spelling of cycle? Cycle for a class 4 student. Is it a difficult word?
No, ma'am.
Next word. Write down the next word, that is aquifers. Aquifers. Now what is the spelling? I'll type in the chat box. This is your level. Water and cycle is not your level. Aquifers. Then, oh, sorry children, sorry, it's AQUI. What is it? It's AQUIFERS. Please make this correction. Ninth word I'm sending again, aquifers. Okay, everyone has erased and written it.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please tell difficult words from 1st to 9th.
Gauri beta, can you see the chat box?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, see all the words are there.
Ma'am, there are only 5th to 9th.
5 to 9. Okay. Vedanshu beta, please copy paste all the words and send.
Can I?
Yes, Aradhya, you do it.
Ma'am, can I also send it?
See, one by one, all the words are coming. Akshar is sending the words. Children, those who have missed any word, please write it. Very good. Arsalan has sent all the words. Written till here? Or you need 2 minutes?
No, now I've done.
Then the 10th. Yes, the 10th word is precipitation. Now, how do we spell it? It's precipitation. 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 See, precipitation. Everybody write it. Written the 10th word.
Yes, ma'am.
11th word is liquid. What is the 11th word? It's liquid.
Mama send it all the difficult words in the group.
Very good, beta. Very good. It's
Ma'am, it
liquid.
can be icebergs. Ma'am, it can be icebergs.
Okay. We will write icebergs also. Written till here.
Oh, ma'am.
Then the 12th word is, what is the 12th word? Rustle. R-U-S-T-L-E. Rustle.
I'm done.
Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, it can be
after
also argon.
what?
Ma'am, argon. A-R-G-O-N.
Beta, please let me speak. Don't disturb in between. After Russell, it's iceberg. Icebergs.
I'm
Written
done.
after
Yes, ma'am.
icebergs, the next word is favorable. Favorable. 14th word. F-A-V-O-U-R-A-B-L-E. Favorable.
Ma'am, written. Ma'am, what is iceberg?
Beta, icebergs are the frozen ice in the seas, in the oceans. They are icebergs.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have written till 40. That is not.
Then the 15th word is presence. P-R-E-S-E-N-C-E. Presence. Presence of something. Then 16th word is community. What is the 16th word? It's community.
Community.
Then after community, it is nitrogen. After nitrogen, the 18th word is helium.
No, what is 19 word?
19th word is hydrogen. Written?
Yes.
Handwritten.
I have also written. Ma'am, how many words there are?
20th word is carbon dioxide. Twenty-first word, innermost.
Ma'am, how many words are there?
Beta, I myself don't know. As I'm finding any difficult word, I'm giving it to you.
And ma'am, I am writing all the words in the in the group. All the are in the group.
Okay, 22nd word is ecosystem. Then 23rd word is processes. 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 Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I have written.
Okay, what is it? It's processes. Then
Yes, ma'am.
the 24th word. Twenty-fourth word is blanket.
Ma'am, what is the word? 20 word?
Blanket.
Ma'am, 10 minutes left.
Then the last word is 25th word is exists. Exists.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, done. Ma'am, I have also done. Ma'am, I have also done.
Very nice, very good. All 25
Ma'am, I have
words.
written all the words. Ma'am, I have written all the words in the group.
Very nice. Now children, please all of you just mute yourself and check all the words whether you have missed any word and also check the spellings. Fine?
Classes get over.
No, beta, a lot of time is left.
Ma'am, I have done all the dictation work.
Ma'am, I also.
You have done everything?
Ma'am, all answers are correct. I have checked also. And
Yes,
my,
ma'am. My all
and my
spellings are correct.
and my antivirus one.
Okay, now what you will do is take a highlighter, take a color pen, sketch pen, whatever. Now do beautification of your work. I'm also doing it, you also do.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, who will do the best beautification? That will be the winner.
Who will?
Ma'am, who will do the best beautification? That will be winner after that.
That will be the winner. No, you have to just win from yourself. You only have to win from your own previous work. Every day we should strive to get better. And better from whom? Not from others, but from our own selves. Is that clear? Our competition
Yes.
is with
Yes,
our
ma'am.
own selves, not from anybody else. What we were yesterday, we should become better tomorrow. I have done the beautification of my work. Have you also done?
I'm doing.
Doing very good.
Ma'am, I will do my best beautification.
You will do what?
My best beautification.
Best beautification. Okay.
Ma'am, done difficult words.
Done? Now see what is given in front of these difficult words.
I have sent a document. It has chapter number 5, all the difficult words.
Where have you sent? In fourth A?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but Taranveer, beta, you have done very nice, neat work. But where is the underlining? Where is the highlighting? I can't see the beautification of the work. Hurry up and do it. And after doing, everybody has to send. I will tell whose work is the best. Okay? Manya, beta, click a picture and send. Okay, very nice work, Vedanshu. Aman. Aman, good work. But beta, look at the spellings of community. You have written community. N-A-T-Y. Wrong spellings. Make this correction. And the spelling of carbon dioxide is also wrong. Carbon dioxide is wrong. What is wrong? Community is wrong. Blanket. Blanket is also wrong. Manya, good work, beta.
I have sent in my work.
I have sent my work. Radhya, beta, what is this? You think I will compliment you on this work? You have made lines without scale. You have not underlined.
No, ma'am, I've made the line scale.
No, your work doesn't look nice today, beta. This is not how you do. You do it so nicely. And Manya, spelling of liquid is wrong. Spelling of helium is wrong. It's not N. You have written Helen. Then after icebergs, what is the word? Favorable. Spelling is wrong. You have not seen the spellings from the chat box? If you will write wrong spellings here in difficult words, what will you do in answers? Okay, Taranveer Singh, very nice work, beta. Good work. But Taranveer, I told you to rectify one spelling. Which one was that? Okay, in evaporation, seventh word. It doesn't look O, it looks like A, evaporation. Make it P-O.
Okay, ma'am, I'm correcting.
Ma'am, only 1 minute is left.
Yes, only 1 minute is left.
Ma'am, now it is less than 1 minute. See?
Yes, it is less than 1.
Ma'am, see, I have do my best beautification.
Send the work, send the work.
Ma'am, I have sent it already.
Okay, Akshar. Yes, very nice work, Akshar. Good.
Ma'am, that's my best beautification I have done till now. The class is over now.
Yes, children, the class is over now. Bye to all of you. See you tomorrow.